Today we'll be preparing our client for a Dermaplane facial, so let's get started. Any facial always begins with the cleansing, so grab either your cleansing oil, cream, lotion, or gel and begin to cleanse the skin. This step helps dissolve makeup, oil, and dirt to keep the pores clean and prepare the skin for the following products. You'll want to pick the best cleanser that benefits the client's skin conditions such as dryness, sensitivity, dehydration, or acne. Be sure to be thorough with the cleansing step as you'll want a clean canvas to prepare for the following steps. Always maintain the steamer anywhere from 12 to 18 inches away from the face to avoid any irritation. To remove the cleanser, grab some sponges and dip them in some warm water. Begin to remove the product in gentle motions. Next, you'll want to apply a toner. This is a water-based liquid that's applied onto the skin after cleansing. Use with a cotton pad or spritz directly onto the skin and be sure to avoid the eyes. Toners help remove residue left behind by the cleanser or other products, and it also helps soften the skin and allow for better absorption for the following products to be applied. Toners also restore the skin's natural pH after cleansing and hydrating the skin. Next, grab your favorite oil to apply to the skin as well. This technique is often referred to as oil planing. It involves applying a thin layer of facial oil to the skin before using the Dermaplane razor. Apply some gloves and grab the Dermaplane handle and attach the stainless steel blade. Here I'm using blade size 10. To attach the razor to the handle, you'll want to uncover the plastic on the blade only halfway. The part exposed is what will be attached to the handle, and you'll grab the blade through its sharp side while the plastic is still covering it. During the Dermaplane process, you will want to hold the skin taut. This means you apply pressure to the skin and pull in opposite direction. This way you'll prevent any incidents during the procedure by having the skin tight. Move the blade gently in up and down motions throughout the entire face. Each section will require no more than 3 to 5 passes. Throughout this procedure, be sure that the angle of the blade is maintained at a 45-degree angle. With every few strokes, be sure you're removing any accumulated hair or dead skin on a 2x2 pad. As you're working throughout the face, be sure to move the client's face accordingly. This way, both you and the client are comfortable throughout the service. The Dermaplane facial is a great way to remove excess dead skin as well as the vellus hair. Not only does it allow for better product absorption, but it instantly brightens the skin. Once you've completed this step, apply your favorite cooling mask. This will reduce any irritation that might have been created as well as provide nutrients back into the skin. Remove the cooling mask after 10 to 15 minutes and apply your finishing serums and products. Thank your client for coming in, and we'll see you next time.